What's going on guys, Kyle here from GuideWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Sheets for pipeline tracking in GoHighLevel. Open Google Sheets and create columns with lead name, stage, value, and owner. Then go to GoHighLevel, go to opportunities, then select the opportunities that you would like to export. Once you have selected them, go to the top right corner, select menu, and then export. Then go back into Google Sheets, select file, then import, go to upload, browse my computer, and then upload your opportunities. Once your opportunities have been added, you can then go to stage, select the entire column. Once you have selected the entire column, go to data and then select create a filter. Now you can sort your leads by pipeline stage. This video helped. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to GuideWise. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.